Looks like a mountain you're on, but it's funny you're on a pile of snow next to the walkway. Go ahead, baby. Go! Woo! 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 The devastation.
Dad, I ran into Mom.
Nice.
This is nuts. And there's a power line down there. Let's see if I can zoom. Oh, it don't let you zoom, does it? Where's the power line? I see it. Smell, Andy. He loves shoveling snow. Down the driveway she goes. That's one way to plow the driveway, huh?
Light is a feather.
Don't. You think you're on Home Alone?